Good morning, guys. And today our topic is Kelvin double bridge. Okay, so here is the caption, that is measurement of low resistance by Kelvin double bridge. Okay, so we know that is this is the modification of on Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge has the four arms, but in the Kelvin double bridge it has the second layer of this arm. Okay, so this is P and Q. You can see. Uh, this is uh, P and Q, and this is sorry, P and Q. This is capital. This is small p and q. Okay, in your normal Western bridge there is only PQ and RS, but in this case you can find that is this capital P, capital Q, and small p, small q, and this is the S and this is the R, and in between there is a very small resistance that is smaller. It is generally of 1 ohm. Okay, so what is the Kelvin double bridge? Look, Kelvin double bridge, it is generally used for the precision measurement. Okay, hey, this is the main target. The precision measurement is, if you precise this is a 0.1 ohm, then you have to mention it. Yes, this is 0.1 ohm, and this is very often it shows its resistance value. This is 0.1 ohm. Actually, Kelvin double bridge is used for low resistance under 1 ohm. Very low resistance. This is under 1 ohm. 1 ohm is not uh, is very low resistance, and it is not practically measured in your multimeter or any normal meter, because as it is low, very low, oh, it will not detect properly. But now a advanced multimeter you can use it, but sometimes you can see, if there is not a high grade multimeter, then it is showing some abrupt value. Okay, but in this Kelvin double bridge, we can accuracy level is very high, and that's why till now Kelvin double bridge is used to measure the very low resistance. But it is generally in your or calibration laboratory, where high quality devices are calibrated. But nowadays, whenever we are working with some resistance, the value of the resistance is as much high as 10 ohm minimum. Uh, we don't use any electronic circuit under 1 ohm. Okay, and generally you can see there is a four terminal bridge. It is a four terminal bridge, and this is all at the resistance bridge. You can't find any inductance, any capacitance. They just like a Hayes bridge, Maxwell bridge. Okay, it is a pure resistive bridge, or the four arms are generally very purely resistive. There is no inductance, no capacitance. Okay, uh, you can see, just observe this Kelvin double bridge, and this four terminal resistance have the two current leading terminal and two potential terminal. Okay, two current leading terminal and two potential terminal, across which the resistance equal to the marked and nominated value. Okay, so these are the resistances marked, but S is, look, S is adjustable. We can adjust it, and then we can find the X. X is unknown. Okay, and this is because the current must enter and leave the resistor in a fashion that there is a sum or equivalent distribution of the current density between the particular equivalent surface is used to define the resistance. Okay, and the additional points also eliminate any contact resistance, and this is the main focus of this bridge at the current lead in the terminal. So we have to reduce the current lead terminal resistance. Okay, then we can find the as low as under 1 ohm resistance, and you can see the main uh, working formula is unknown resistance R. Here is written X, and you can see in this simulator there is nothing is mentioned, only R A, R B, R small a, R small b. But actually, whenever we going for our conventional paper, conventional book, then we can find this is capital P and this is capital Q. This is small p, this is small q, and this is S, and this is unknown resistance is R, or whatever maybe we can nomenclature. So this capital, and this is the smaller, this is generally made of 1 ohm. Okay, and this R is the formula of the R is capital P divided by capital Q. Okay, this is the arm ratio, capital Q, P by capital Q, and then multiplied with this S. Okay, this is the main formula, just like Wheatstone bridge. Then one added formula is plus small q into R by P plus Q small, all are small, P plus Q plus R, and multiplied with in the bracket, that is capital P by capital Q minus small p by small q. Okay, you just see the formula. I am just writing over there. Otherwise, you can understand it, and then it will be simplified. Okay, yeah, I am just writing. You can see this PR equal to, guys, I am writing with my mouse, and that's why it is letter is not uh, good in manner. This is capital P by capital Q. Okay, and this is multiplied with the S. Just remember this formula. Okay, then it will added another terminal. This is the another terminal. This is another portion, small q into small r, small q into small r divided by p plus q plus r, all are small, p small p plus small q plus small r, and then it is multiplied with capital P by capital Q. This is capital Q minus small p minus divided by small q. Okay, so this is the formula to define this unknown resistance R. Now, whenever it is come to the balance condition, then what happens? This portion, this ratio, this is the ratio capital B by capital Q, and this is the small p by small q. This ratio became equal, means P by Q equal to small p by small q. So this portion became zero, because same things, if we subtract the same things, then it will yield zero. So all this part became zero, all this part became zero. So only the part is remaining, that is R equal to capital P by capital Q into S. This is the working formula to define and the unknown resistance R. Okay, now come to the procedure. You can find here is the procedure is there. Set the voltmeter voltage, voltage, not voltmeter. Set the voltage at the level of V12. Look, this is the V, and this it should be set at up to the 12 volt. Now it is already done. This is 12 volt, and the switch on this board. Keep the switches. Look, here is the two switch. One is K switch and another is S switch. Okay, this is the K switch. This is the S switch, and keep the switch S in the short mode. Look, here is already short mode. This is the two mode. One is short mode and another is bridge mode. You can see here up to within 2 or 3 minutes mode, and adjust the rheostat RS to maintain the current 3 ampere, 2 ampere, 4 ampere, 5 ampere in the current. Rheostat RS. This is 1 ampere. This is 1.2, 1.2. Okay, this is 2. And now then set the switch S to open mode. Look, set the switch at this open mode. open mode and set the low resistance S. Look, this low resistance S value within the 0.001 ohm to the 0.01 ohm from the set unknown resistance S box. Look, set unknown resistance box is here. Here is 0.01 ohm. This is guided 0.001. So I am doing this more or less. It is also already 0.01 ohm is there. Okay, and 0.1 ohm at the set value. Okay. No, it is not changing now. And the set the switch S to the bridge mode and the switch to the open mode. Look, this is already open, K switch is open, and this is the bridge mode. Okay, this is the bridge mode. And vary the value of RA, RB, small RB from the control box of below, or directly put the value of the boxes to respective elements to get a zero deflection on the multi voltmeter pointer. Okay, zero deflection. But before then, we have to switch on this power. Okay, we have to switch on. Now set the switch K to the close mode, or again vary the RA/RB small RA small RB to get the zero deflection on the multi voltmeter method. If null is achieved, click on the calculate and calculate the unknown resistance value. Okay, so before all of this, there is not mentioning that you have to power on. Okay, so we just going to the power on mode. This is the open mode, open, but we have to go for, look, just check, this is how much ohm, this is yeah, okay, low resistance, we have to do this, increase it, we have to increase it, we have to increase it, we have to increase it. Okay, look, this is deflection is not there. Now we have to choose this close mode. This is much deflective. So I have to, when we are going for the open mode, then we have to put it up to the zero, means null detection. You can see, yes, from here you can also change it. Look, this is increasing. So this is also increasing. Look, the deflection is increasing. So we need to decrease it. This is already 0.99. It is also increasing. Now going to the decrease mode. You can see already from 876 to it is decreasing 5. You have to decrease it at least 2 or 3 zero. So here we are changing this. Look, this is again increased because these arms are increased. Look, this is 0.3. So we have to increase. Yes, 0.019. So last 3 195. Look, this is coming 0.0057. We are going to mode 0. No. Okay, it is increasing. Look, only 20 is coming, only 0.0047. So I am reducing over here. 0.001. So I am reducing over here. 1 is coming. So I have to increase 3. 1. Look, we have already reached up to the point 006. So I need to, okay, only. Look, you can find there is 0.000. All digits are coming to the 0. This is at the zero position, means null position. Now we have to close this switch. Whenever we close this K switch, then it will again deflect it, because here is no current is flowing through this air. But whenever we put closed mode this switch K, then R resistance also put some disbalance noising. Look, whenever I close this, look, some deflection is there. Actually it is reached to 0.04 sorry 0.6853. Guys, just watch this. This is practically happens and with your Kelvin double bridge. Okay, whenever you go for the experiment, lots of time you have to apply to reach this zero or the null position. Okay, again we have to set it. Look, here is also tell that now set the switch K to the closed mode again and vary the value of RA RB. This is capital RA capital RB, means R capital A R capital B, and the R capital small a and R small b. Actually this is the capital P Q, and this is a small p small q, to get the zero deflection on the multi voltmeter point. If null is achieved, click on the calculate it and calculate only this close mode you have to calculate. Okay, whenever I just ask open mode, look, whenever I open mode, this is showing the null position. But whenever I close this R path, this is the small R resistance, this is generally of 1 ohm resistance, then it will already deflecting much. So I have to go for again adjustment. Look, just I have to reduce it much. You can see this is deflected to 1. Okay, 0 1. Again it is reducing. Look, this is 2, so we have to increase it. 1 4. This is 0 9. Okay, I have to increase it small RA small RB. This is again 1. One one. This is 1 1. We have to increase it. Small increment. Okay. This is 2. This is again 2. Look, this is 0 7. So just now it is coming to the fine adjustment. No, it is increasing. Just decrease. Just decrease. This is 6 is coming. So we have to reduce this ratio. Okay, okay. Look, you have to increase this, then it will reduce. 5. Okay. So this is okay. This should also decrease. Look, one by one, this is coming 0.004. Okay. So this is also 234. Okay, it is increasing. So you have to decrease it. Okay, okay, just look, guys, it is already coming minus 0.006. Okay, and I just want to increase it. Look, already 4-digit zero has been appeared. Okay. Already 4-digit zero is appeared, but minus sign is not removing. Okay. Guys, this is only minus sign is there, but you can find that is 4-digit zero after point decimal 4-digit zero has been appeared, but it is showing some minus value. Okay, but at least it is so 4-digit zero you can find out. Now we have to calculate it. We have to calculate it. Then we can find the unknown resistance R. Means here it is depicted X. This is unknown resistance is 0.0090 ohm. Okay, so guys, I think you got this experiment. I can now this your turn. Please do it in your own hand and then just show it, just like your previous experiment. Hello guys, I am sharing. I stop sharing my screen and then I. Okay, guys, do it in your own. And if you have any question, you may ask me. Hello, guys, and this is Dilip Kumar, Muhammad Mahfuz Alam, Nikhil Singh, Piyush Kumar Thakur, Punam Kumari, Prerna Kumari, Priya Kumari, Rahul Hemram, Saket Kumar Misra. Please do it in your own hand and then show one picture. Otherwise, you can't realize this Kelvin double bridge. And if you have any question, you may ask me. Okay, time is very less. That then another class will be started from Mr. Dikedi sir. Please do it your own. You can find this is the null position at the close mode. And this is value is my calculated value is 0.0009 ohm. And guys, do it in your own laptop device, whatever may be, and show it. Guys, those who can show, uh, he will or she will get the credit and attendance. Anyone can show. Dilip Kumar, Muhammad Mahfuz Alam, are you there? Piyush Kumar Thakur.
Yes, sir.
Then just perform it. Hardly 10 to 10 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, I can see. Yes, it is reached 0 null position, and your calculated value is 0.0018 ohm. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Piyush Kumar Thakur. Piyush Kumar, okay, okay.
So it's me, sir, Nisha Kumari.
Okay, okay, Anisha Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Just
So
show.
सही है ना?
हाँ, लेकिन तुम्हारा एक बार शो करो तुम्हारा जो yes, it is getting. Yes, एकदम null position में reach कर गया और तुम्हारा point है 0.001864 ohm. Okay, thank you. Very nice. You are Anisha Kumari, Miss Anisha Kumari. Okay. Okay, beta, you can leave. Any other? Just enlarge it. Okay.
सर 0.05 तक जा रहा सर.
Just show it. Only your Instagram is showing.
सर शेयर करो।
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, point zero. Then just adjust your R small a and R small b.
Yes, sir.
Then you can get at least 2 or 3 digits zero after addition. And then take a screenshot whenever you write your report, then you have to put it.
ओके सर। सर
Okay.
परफेक्ट जीरो नहीं हो पाता है सर मोबाइल
नहीं
में।
थोड़ा adjust करो। okay, okay. Then whenever you perform in your computer or laptop, then you will get. Okay. Because we are
यस सर।
using mouse, and that's why you are
सर
doing.
ये 0.08
Okay,
तक जा
okay.
रहा था।
This is fine. This is
0.008।
fine. Okay, very nice. At least in mobile you have performed it. Okay, thank you. Then calculate. Just put calculate. Push the button of calculate. Okay. Alert message. Close.
ओह
Execute the circuit. Close. 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 K switch. In between the K switch, between the bridge there is a knob K. You have to close it. Just
सर
put.
क्लोज तो किए हैं लेकिन सर
हाँ,
तब भी
अभी
से वही
calculate.
आ रहा।
तो ब्रिज मोड में करना है। वो जो स्विच ए को तुम ब्रिज मोड में नहीं, हाँ ब्रिज मोड में ही तो है। फिर क्यों आ रहा है?
यस सर।
हाँ तो आना चाहिए
सब तो
कैलकुलेट।
सही है सर।
हाँ फिर कैलकुलेट, फिर वो एक्चुअली नेट पे नहीं ले रहा है। फिर कैलकुलेट करो, अभी लेगा, अभी लेगा।
अभी भी
कैलकुलेट
नहीं ले रहा सर।
अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोसीजर। वो करने से नहीं होगा। ठीक है, इसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, फिर बाद में कर लेंगे।
यस सर एक और स्कोर
शायद
कर लेंगे।
उसका जो सर्वर है, सर्वर में ये अपडेट नहीं ले रहा है। क्लोज से ओपन
यस
हुआ है
सर।
ना, वो सर्वर में ओपन नहीं हुआ है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
हो गया सर, हो गया सर।
हाँ ओके ओके ओके, कैलकुलेट वैल्यू आ गया। हाँ कितना वैल्यू
यस
दिखा
सर।
रहा है? वो उधर एक्चुअली उधर सर्वर में नहीं ले रहा था ना।
सर 0.0024 ऐसे करके आ रहा सर।
yes yes, this is last one digit you can take this. So this base is used to measure very low resistance. This type of resistance you may say this is not like a resistance, just like a conductance. Actually very low resistance, whenever you will go for measurement of very low resistance, then you can get. Okay, thank you.
सर तो ये सही है ना सर?
हाँ हाँ एकदम सही है, हाँ एकदम सही है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you. You can leave. You can leave. Any other? Within 2 or 3 minutes, your link will be dissolved. Okay, it is not coming actually. Just adjust R small a and R small b. No, no, it is just reflecting. Yes, yes, it is coming. No, no, just do the opposite action. It is not showing. Just share your screen.
सर
Yes.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते सर अभी कैलकुलेट कर
Okay, okay.
यस
It is coming 0.024664. Okay, very fine. Your
यस
last two digit is 0.00 null position. Okay, okay, fine. So I think you all understand the Kelvin double bridge. This is the experiment. Okay. So guys, anyone have any question? Because only 1 minute left. Yes, yes. Give me. Yes, it is. This is reflecting. Just adjust your small array and small RB. RA small A, RA small B. No, no, no. It is. Yes, reduce. Just reduce. Yes. This is going to minus position. Just do opposite action. Opposite action. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, up to 0.05. Just adjust your RARB at the same. Look, your capital RARB is not like same. You have to just take it. Capital RB. Just adjust your capital RB up to the capital RB. Capital RB. Yes, then you can perform. Look, easily you can achieve. No, 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 no.